So the new carriage gear showed up. So here's the old one. You see the teeth are pointy where it was rubbing on the gear rack. And here's the new gear. It looks like that pinion's hardened a little bit. You can see the heat treat marks, and it looks like it's got some scale on it. Which I'll wire brush off, I guess. But the gear looks like it's the correct one, otherwise. Here's the original gear rack side bushing. And here's how it fits on the original gear. So you can see it wiggling around. Here's how it fits on the new gear. Pretty much the same, maybe a tiny bit tighter. And here's that bushing from McMaster. This is a 3/4 inch and 1 inch, and that fits. You know, I didn't measure it yet, but it's not too bad. And on the old one and on the new one, it's not moving much. It feels good. I mean, I don't know if I'd want it much tighter than that. Here's the original seal. I may just leave this bushing this long and not use the seal. The original bushing was canted in the board just a tiny bit, probably like, you know, I don't know if it bumped or if it just was always at an angle a little bit, but it wasn't completely flush with the machine surface inside the apron. So I don't know, it might be better to leave this bushing a little bit long and just have it protrude out of the apron towards the gear rack. I think I'll probably do that. Since there is no step that I can tell inside the apron at this point. See if we can see. Grab a flashlight. Maybe. No. No, that might be just where the seal was riding. There's definitely nothing in that bore.